Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines.
So
Today
gross.
we're testing this Jura ENA3 espresso machine. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. That cup might not be big enough. Making a mess. Alright. So this person has a very large, pretty large 1 cup shot size. So that's okay. To each their own. And let's do this hot water. You can see it's working well.
Too deep. That's way too much. I thought so. I mean, it is.
Alright, just doing another shot, so that's good. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.